Hi everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on how to access Zoom and use its features for your classes at Cypress College. Today, I'll walk you through how to join Zoom meetings through Canvas and then show you the key Zoom tools, including sharing a whiteboard and using the annotation feature. Let's get started. First, let's go over how to access Zoom from inside Canvas. Go to the Cypress College website and click on the Canvas link. Log in using your student ID and password. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard or the Courses tab on the left-hand side. Select the course you want to access. In the course navigation, you'll see options like Modules, Assignments, and Zoom. Click on Cypress Zoom. Here, you'll see a list of all scheduled Zoom meetings for your course. To join a meeting, click the Join button next to the scheduled meeting. Zoom will open, and you'll be directed into the meeting. Once you're in a Zoom meeting, here are the main features you'll use. At the bottom left of your screen, you'll see a mute/unmute button to control your microphone. Next to the mute button is the Start/Stop Video button to control your camera. Click the small arrow to change your camera settings or add a virtual background. The Participants button shows who's in the meeting and allows you to raise your hand if you want to ask a question. The Chat button opens a chat window to send messages to everyone or privately to your instructor. The Reactions button lets you use non-verbal cues like clapping or giving a thumbs up without interrupting the speaker. Next, let's cover how to share your screen, use a whiteboard, and annotate. To share your screen, click the Share Screen button in the toolbar. A window will pop up showing your available screens. Select what you want to share and click Share. In the same Share Screen window, you'll see an option for Whiteboard. Click this to open a digital whiteboard. Once the whiteboard is open, you and other participants can draw or write on it. Using annotations. When you or someone else is sharing a screen or whiteboard, the Annotate tool will appear in the toolbar at the top of your screen. Click Annotate to open the annotation toolbar. Here are the main tools you can use. Text. Click this to type text anywhere on the screen or whiteboard. Draw. Use the drawing tools to draw shapes, lines, or freehand. Stamp. Place preset symbols like arrows, check marks, or stars on the screen. Spotlight. Use the Spotlight tool to highlight areas of the screen for others to see. Eraser. Click this to erase any annotations you've made. Finally, when the class or meeting is over, click the Leave button at the bottom right of your screen. And that's it. Now you know how to access Zoom through Canvas and use essential Zoom features.